Hi students, Mr. Metelsky here, and this video will be covering how to find percent change when the actual percent of change and the new or current amount is given to you. So here's our question. It says J is currently 66 inches tall. This is a 32% increase from where they were 2 years ago. How old were they 2 years ago? So it might be helpful to make a little list here. We know that they're currently 66 inches tall, so that's the new value. We don't know the old value. That's where they were 2 years ago. So old is really the question mark here. And we do know that it was a 30% increase from where they were. So that means that our percent should be positive 32%. So when we plug it into our formula, we need to remember that it's new amount minus the old amount over the old amount equals percentage over 100. So we know the new amount is 66, so we're going to plug that in where it says new. So it's going to be 66 minus the old amount. And since we don't know the old, let's just use x for the variable there. And we're going to put that over the old, which again is x. We don't know what that is. And that will equal the percentage, which we found to be positive 32 over 100. So now we have our proportion set up, and we just need to use our cross product property to solve. So if we go this way first, it's x times 32, which is 32x. And then that will equal these two multiplied together. And we need to remember that 66 minus x is a group. So it's really going to be 100 times the quantity or group of 66 minus x. And in order to move on, we're going to have to distribute the 100 to both parts inside the parentheses. So it's going to be 32x. Well, 100 times 66, that's 66 with 2 zeros behind, so 6600. Minus 100 times x, which is 100x. Now here we have a situation where we have a variable on the left side and we have a variable on the right side. So if that's the case, we get rid of the smaller value, and since 32 is positive and the 100 is negative, let's get rid of that by adding 100x to both sides. So if we do that on the right, we have to do that on the left. So these 100s, the negative and positive, cancel. 32x plus 100x is 132x. And that will equal 6,600. Final step, we divide by 132. That cancels the 132s over here, and we're left with x is equal to, now let's jump to our calculator and do 6,600 divided by 132, and that is 50. Okay. So that means they were 50 inches tall 2 years ago. Now, if we go back to the original problem, I just realized this. I misled you in the actual question. It says, how old were they 2 years ago? I apologize for that. It should be, how tall were they 2 years ago? Sorry about that. So we want to make sure we're actually answering the right question. So we end up with 50 inches tall.